how AI assists me in making and saving money. In this video, I will share with you how I use AI inside my company. So I help people with their content marketing and how I use AI to make money. So let's first start with how I use AI in my company and how it will help me to reduce time, resources and money. So I have different channels to attract leads and turn them, of course, into customers. One of my marketing strategies is to create more awareness. I use social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok and LinkedIn to gain more followers, to gain more visibility by people that are not ready to buy, but are learning something from my content or getting inspired by, and in the future, if they have a problem that I maybe can solve for them, they think about me. And this strategy is called the zero-click content strategy, where I share content on a daily basis or almost a daily basis. And in this content, I don't tease like, okay, if you would like to learn more, go to my website, just fill in this and etc. No, I try to put in all of the content that I share on my social media some type of knowledge or some type of inspiration. And by doing this, people get a glimpse of what I do or what I can do for them. And with creating content, AI really helps me to save time, resources and money. How? Well, the part of research. So I use AI and, for example, ChatGPT to learn what the problem is of my customer that I can maybe solve for them, where they are, so on which channels do they use, and what kind of content can I create for them that helps them to take a step forward or that inspires them to do something different. And in this research, AI really saves me a lot of time and resources and money, because it's going on the internet, it's giving me input, and this saves me a lot of going on Google myself or hiring somebody that can help me with this part of my business. Spoiler alert, of course you need to have some knowledge, some practice and some failures so you know what you're doing. I mean, I'm not an expert in, for example, how to save corporates with tax cuts. I can use ChatGPT for it. It gives me answers, but I still don't know what the subject is or what we need to do. So, of course, you need some skills. With researching for a new product or service, ChatGPT really saves you a lot of time. I also use AI for my content creation, and not only creating the content, but also to find patterns or to see which trends are very hot at this moment. For the content creation, I use tools like Midjourney, Leonardo.ai, Runway ML, Descript, Kyber, for example. And I have to be honest, sometimes I don't need any VFX specialist because AI took over some part of their business. So in these two phases inside my business, at this moment, AI really helps me to save a lot of time, resources and money. Talking about money, how do I make money with AI at this moment? So the first thing is content creation. I not only use it to showcase myself, but I also help companies with content creation. For example, to be more visible via social media, or to make a patient testimonial on their website to attract new customers. So for example, maybe first I did not use that much animation, but thanks to AI, it's easier to implement animation. So for the same investment, people just get more. Another way AI helps me to make money is that I use ChatGPT Plus version with some plugins with reaching out to companies. So I use ChatGPT and it finds me companies that I want to work with together. I'll reach out to them and see if we can have a chat, and from there on, let's see if it makes business or not. And the last thing, how I make money with AI, is just by sharing my experience about AI. So I invest a lot of time in researching and experimenting with AI. And there are some people that don't have the time or don't want to risk, like, okay, which tool works and which tool does not work. And I'm sure there are many more ways to leverage AI and to make money, but this is how I use it inside of my company and how I make money with it. And it's a very nifty tool to use, but only in combination with some skills, with some experience, with some failures that you made. And this is the key thing with AI. It is a tool, a very powerful tool, and it will become more part of our life. But you still need to have some skill to get the most out of it. Therefore, I think it's very important that you will learn AI and how to use it in your company. It's not exactly understanding AI, but how to leverage an AI tool for your business. I think that will separate you from people that are not used to using AI or they don't want to use AI. It's a new technology, it will go very fast, and I think you can make yourself more productive by using AI and use it in your advantage. And if you like to learn more about AI, I've created a free training about how to use ChatGPT with all kinds of examples of prompts, of how you can use it, a full walkthrough, dashboards, etc, etc, etc. You can watch it for free on this YouTube channel via this video.